All right, good morning from Scott in Southeast Georgia. Today is, I don't know if we call it a test run or what, but will I get scammed or will I get a good deal? I had to have some work done on my Camry here. Quite a few front end parts needed to be replaced just due to wear and tear over time. So my local Toyota dealership is advertising $49.95 alignment. The alignment's got to be done after all this work is performed, all right? Now, it does say in fine print down there, something along the lines of, and I don't have my glasses on, but plus shop supplies. Now, I don't know what kind of shop supplies they would need to align a front end. Everything's pretty much, hey, you know what? Put it on the machine and adjust as needed. So we're going to find out. Now, my guess is, let's see if I'm going to be right or wrong. With this deal at $49.95, are they going to do it correctly? Number one is my question. Number two, are they going to come out and say, well, we need to fix this, we got to fix this, we can't align it because this is not right? That's one guess. I hope I'm wrong. Now, here's something from the same place. Four-wheel alignment, okay? But this one is $20 more, okay? But it says something along the lines of reset to factory specifications. What the hell does that mean? The front end is either aligned or it's not. Now on this car, it'd be a four-wheel alignment. Now, for $20 more, is it going to be a better alignment? We're going to find out, folks.